Very good morning, everyone. This is my second vlog. The previous vlog that I made, that was more of a cinematic food vlog, or that cinematic vlog, I can say. So yeah, I'm planning to do this kind of vlogs now. Not the mainstream vlogs that we see already, but moreover, I will focus on cinematic vlog, obviously, but also sharing about lifestyle and food. I today I was supposed to go on a shoot that was supposed to start at 12 in my college, but somehow it got postponed. So I am planning to head somewhere else. Let's see if I will go to any restaurant or cafe, or just to try new food or different thing. So yeah, that's what I'm planning for. And let's say I just woke up and I slept at 4 last night, so I'm still a bit dizzy. So yeah, I will just quickly get changed and freshen up, and we'll have to leave then. So I will keep on updating just how the thing goes.
One eternity later.
So actually 1 eternity later हम लोग निकले, और ये देखो, ये तेरे को लेगा नहीं ये तो या. सो आफ्टर लाइक 1 eternity later हम लोग फाइनली निकले, और वी आर प्रोबेबली हेडिंग टुवर्ड्स number 18. If you know about this place, it's a new food joint that's newly has came up, and it serves good combos. So देखते हैं, try मारते हैं. Let's see what we get there and how it is and all stuff. So yeah, let us go, and I'll share all the clips and whatever जाते जाते जो भी मिलता है. I was thinking where we can go, and I was searching for a lot of places where we can find cheap but good food, good quality food. So finally I just decided to finally go to number 18. I heard a lot about this place, but probably gonna check it like first time, and I hope it's gonna be good. Anyways, so the bestest way to go or reach number 18 is basically the way I am going is basically this is Golf Green. People who knows, this is Golf Green, and we are gonna take an auto from here till Lords, which is basically South City. It's very close to South City, and so we'll take an auto from here, and then we'll go to Lords, and then we'll have to walk a bit more to reach number 18. So what, it just took us 3 minutes, 3.5 minutes to reach here, but the time lapse was probably of 30 seconds, I guess. So yeah, so अभी हम लोग थोड़ा map मारेंगे, and we'll have to see the location, direction. So it shows 10 minutes and 750 meters, so okay. Cool, जाते हैं, आ जाओ. This is South City on my right and Lizard Skate on my left. So, if you know about Lizard Skin is like it's the best tattoo studio you will have here. And if you want to have a tattoo, no question asked, go to Lizard Skin. So it's probably, when you walk beside, like from beside South City, you will smell that. It smells South City. And fine. Okay. So brightness नहीं पर दिख नहीं रहा है. So it's probably the next right lane after South City ends. So it's probably that. Like South City, this is on my right. South City, this is the back side of South City. हाँ तुम नहीं अभी तक तो नहीं आई. But क्यों नहीं आओ? ये रही मैडम.
बहुत खाने वाली बात है.
Yeah. We're finally here in number 18 and the menu is very common and like I knew about the menu, so I just give a quick brief. If you can see, the prices are very nominal. Like these are the combos which are very famous, and it starts. We have chicken biryani with chicken kosha and chicken kadai chicken with butter naan, and we have the Chinese combo that is a veg fried rice with chili chicken, or you can also go with the veg noodles with chili chicken. We also have the mutton biryani and yeah, pretty much this. So it's a mixture of Chinese and North Indian combos. Apart from this, and especially the prices starts from it's 129 and it's max to max it has till 150. So it's quite good. Now the concern is the quality and the quantity. I guess it's gonna be good. And kebabs. In kebabs we have like quite a few variants. And yeah, it's also starts from 139 and it's still 249. So that's also quite good. And we have Chinese starters. That is for like the chili paneer dry. That is for 8 pieces and it's for 139. It's quite good. We have and most importantly, their dessert is really good. I heard. I don't know if I'm gonna try or not, but it's just it was 40. It was 45 I guess previously, but it's now 60. This gulab jamun with ice cream is really tasteful, so I guess. So I don't know if I'm gonna try this or not, but let's see. What I ordered is this one chicken butter masala with butter naan and this veg fried rice combo. So here is the food, and this is the butter naan with what was this? Chicken butter masala. Yeah. So we have 2 pieces of butter naan. It's quite good greased, I should say, with butter.
and here is 2 pieces of chicken and a little bit of salad, and it's good, I guess. So next you're gonna taste and say how it's. So Nina gonna try it. Thora sa bite. How's it? Soft. So it's gonna be crispy from the outside. If it's check if it's. Okay, so this is the veg fried rice and chili chicken combo plate. We have 4 pieces of chili chicken and a veg fried rice with the sauce, tomato sauce, I guess, and a little bit of salad and kebabi. It's kebab chicken. Of course, it's gonna be. So I just tasted this one. It tastes normal. It's like it's what you pay for basically. It's 129. It's good for 129. It's best I can say. So yeah. क्या कहना है मैडम आपको?
बहुत टेस्टी है ये चिकन। तो मेरे को खास करके चिकन बहुत अच्छा है, और मैं आपको दिखाती हूँ। मैं इस हाथ से खा रही हूँ।
So it's with bone obviously.
माउथ वाटरिंग।
मेरे को मत दिख, मेरे को मत दिख, मेरे को मत दिख, मेरे को मत दिख। ये अच्छा, फिर से फ्लिप करते, ये लो। सो आप तरह दिखाएंगे? बिल दिखाओ। इट्स आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स फ्लिप्ड ऑन व्हाट। बिल को थोड़ा ऊपर करो, इधर लाओ। आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स विजिबल और नॉट, बट दिस इज व्हाट द बिल इज। सो दैट वाज गुड, राइट? यू वांट टू से समथिंग?
बहुत अच्छा था। लाइक जो मतलब पॉकेट फ्रेंडली है, बहुत पॉकेट फ्रेंडली है ये। मतलब मन हुआ कि कुछ बाहर का खाए, लेकिन बजट बहुत कम है। मन हुआ कि बाहर का कुछ खाए और बजट थोड़ा टाइट है और लजीज भी खाना है, तो ऑब्वियसली मैं बोलूँगी कि इधर आके खाओ। बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है। स्पेशली जो चिकन बटर मसाला था वो तो जगह था एकदम एक नंबर।
Okay, so I'm just planning to go. South City जाना है क्या?
साउथ सिटी जाना है, मेरे को आइसक्रीम खाना है।
Okay, so she wants to have that
टर्की है
Turkish ice cream जिसमें बहुत लोचा, मतलब क्या बोलते हैं उसको, फिरकी लिया जाता है basically. So I don't know how much it costs, but I will try for the first time. She is going to try to for the first time. So जाते हैं थोड़ा, we have to walk a little bit. It's nearby though, but let's see. I'll go to ATM first because I need cash, and बाकी दिन रखते हैं. Okay, so we came to South City and this looks amazing. See, मतलब मस्त दिखता है. Okay, so just came for a stroll basically, and it looks amazing. I guess Durga Puja may it look more good, more attractive, and yeah, just a quick stroll. Like it's been long since I came to South City, and yeah, that's it. So now I need to lead to क्या कहते हैं ATM. I can't find an ATM. कहाँ है ATM? I guess Lords में मिल जाएगा. So yeah. Madam wants to हैव एन आइसक्रीम। ओ मैडम कुछ बोलेंगे?
आइसक्रीम मेरे को खाना है बहुत दिनों से, मैंने बहुत दिनों से नहीं खाया। खासकर वो आइसक्रीम मैं सोच रही थी पूजा से खाऊं, लेकिन हुआ नहीं, क्या करें, लक नहीं था। आज लक भी है, मैं खुद भी हूँ इधर, तब खा के ही जाऊँ।
We just got super wet in बारिश। ओ मैडम आएंगे आप? हाँ, और इन्होंने जो कांड किया मैं और नहीं बता रहा हूँ सबके सामने, छोड़ो। So we just came। मस्त हुआ रे सीन। तो मैडम हल्का हो लिए, अभी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। अब तुम जितना घंटे चलो पैदल, मतलब छोड़ो, I don't want to discriminate, but I इज्जत वुमेन्स। अरे इसीलिए तो बोला इज्जत वुमेन्स। इज्जत का मतलब क्या होता है? रेस्पेक्ट है तेरे पास?
हाँ।
बोल, है पैसा?
हाँ, है पैसा।
कितना चिट्टा है तेरे पास?
मेरे पास तो बहुत सारा छुट्टा है।
कितना है?
बहुत।
क्या बहुत?
500 रुपए का छुट्टा है, क्या चाहिए बताओ?
हाँ,
हाँ।
कोई 100 रुपए का छुट्टा देगा? चाय पिएगा तो 10 रुपए का?
हाँ, बहुत देगा सर चाय पे। एक बार देखेगा, मैं फुचका खाऊंगी और देखना 500 रुपए का छुट्टा, 100 रुपए का छुट्टा धड़ दे देंगे।
फेस पावर, फेस। कुछ बोल। फेज वैल्यू।
ये देखो डोरेमोन आ गया सामने। ये देखो, सच में डोरेमोन आ गया।
ओए मारियो मत काका मेरे को। हाँ, जा रहे घर, and we'll edit and then we'll upload the vlog.